Okay, so look at this. It's now 12 a.m. and I'm still working. Alright, I'm working on a new video to show you how to do this. The trousers zipper. Alright, the waistband too will come. But in the meantime, I'm first going to upload the zipper. Trying to get the buttons open. So, as you can see, there is it. Alright, so I will be uploading this video probably by Sunday. Okay, showing how to do the trousers zipper. I think most tailors don't like sewing trousers because of the zipper, because they feel the flap can be as nice as I've done here. Alright, so you got a problem, just stay tuned to my channel and subscribe. Alright, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that any video that I upload, you get it right on your phone. Okay, alright, now check this one too out. I did this for a customer. Right, he will be sending it to a wedding. He'll be sending it to a wedding. So this is the design. Now there is this thing that's trending in fashion nowadays, shirt designing. Check this. Do you guys know how to do this? Okay, so I'll be teaching you how to do this one too. All right, so you see, as I told you, there's so much to learn here on my channel. Just stay glued and we will just do it as we do it. Unique and working method for everyone. All right, okay, so let me just leave you here. Bye bye.